What's up everyone? For this episode, we shall be doing another model and diorama build, this time from a galaxy far far away, which is the Star Wars 1:32 scale Darth Vader's TIE Fighter by AMT ERTL. Let's start. This is an old kit, reissued in 2005, so the items are pretty old. So we have one clear runner, two gray runners, and the wings. Followed by an instruction manual and a small brochure. So let's build. After building the model, we'll start to spray the primer. We will try to do different layers of gray, so we're going to mask certain parts of the TIE Fighter model. In here, we are cutting the excess masking tape using an exacto knife. We will then peel those excess masking tape. Spraying a different shade of gray. Now we will mask the wing part. After masking, we'll spray more contrasting tones to the model. Then, it's time to remove the masking tape. So now we're going to apply a wash using the Vallejo Game Color wash. I'm gonna wash the panel lines. Just make sure the paint goes inside the panel lines. So that the details will come out. So after applying the wash, we're now going to clean it off with alcohol. It leaves the panel lines and the details inside. After cleaning the wash, it's time to put everything together. Now that we're done with the model, we'll start to do the diorama. We'll be planning to do a hangar type diorama for the TIE Fighter. We'll start again by priming the diorama parts. We'll then modify certain parts to add more detail to the diorama. Then on to masking certain parts of the chain base. This will be a tedious part because the base has so much detail. Like the model, will then spray contrasting grays to bring out more detail. Now spraying German gray, and then we're going to paint the red and silver details through the panels and the beams. After painting, time to strip down the masking tape. We're now painting the base with gloss black. And then applying a silver wash using poster color. Wiping it down using cotton and tissue paper. After painting and gloss coating, we're giving a dark wash to bring out additional details from the flooring of the diorama. Same procedure with the wall panel. Clean it up again with cotton and rubbing alcohol. Now let's create the base for the diorama using styrene and wood panels. And then let's place everything together. So now it's time to put the finishing touches. As you can see, our TIE fighter does not have any pilot inside. This is because instead of using the pilot figure of Darth Vader featured in the model kit, we chose an alternative figure, which is the Takara Tomy Mechakole Star Wars diecast figure. And in addition to that, we added other figures such as the Stormtrooper as well. So in comparison, The Darth Vader figure is slightly bigger than the one that was featured in the model kit, the one that was included in the model kit. However, since the difference is not that big, we will opt to use those figures later. So here's the finished look of the Star Wars TIE Fighter diorama with Vader and the Stormtroopers. Hope you like it. We'll leave you with some pictures and see you in the next video.